Hi everyone, it's Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of a resort view 2-queen room at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Now as we first walk inside this room, off here to our left we will see our bathroom space, very well lit mirror along with double sinks with some storage beneath. Over here we have a shower tub combo. And here, separated off by a sliding pocket door, is our toilet space. As we exit the bathroom, we will see the closet space. Here you'll find a steamer, as well as a safe. And then over here with sliding doors, you'll find some hanging storage, extra pillows and blankets with some drawer storage beneath. And then over here, you'll find more hanging storage and a luggage rack. Just past the closets here, we see our snack and beverage station. There is a Keurig brand coffee maker here, which does come equipped with some K-cups for you. More drawer space here for any storage you might need. And beneath we have a beverage cooler. You can see Moana inspired artwork here on the wall. And here we have those nice queen beds with space for storage underneath, as well as bench seating at the end. Little mini nightstand over here with several charging ports. Little reading lights there. Some beautiful Polynesian inspired artwork with Moana here at the bottom. Over here, you'll notice we have a Disney capability. More storage here in the nightstand. More reading lamps. And then over here we have another little mini nightstand with some charging. Nice little seating space here with an ottoman. Here we have a view of a beautiful tree, but just beyond that, you can see we actually have a little bit of a view of one of the pools. Here's another view of that Maui inspired artwork on the back wall. This sofa here does fold down into a twin size bed, so this room can accommodate up to 5. Over here we have a little bit more storage and a nice dresser with our television, with of course our welcome screen for our family. Now we're going to take another look out here at this balcony. And out here on the balcony, you can see this is the Polynesian Island Tower. There's the pool space. Over here is the marina. And then you can see right here is the main lobby building where the restaurants and the merchandise locations are. We have some nice seating space out here. 2 more little tables right here in front of that sliding door in the event you need them. But again, this is a 2-queen resort view room at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort.